Hello everyone, I'm Kiran, and yes, as you know, my channel name is Indian Mom on Duty. So today I have one guest with me, and yes, we are in a Google office, and she's my new friend, and her name is
Puneet, and I run a makeup channel which is called Makeup Addict One. And if you've seen me, then hi. If you haven't seen me, then still double hi.
Okay, so she's my new friend, and we are recently met in this office. What you carry in your bag?
Okay.
Are you okay to show my friends that कि आपने क्या carry किया है?
मेरे बैग में?
Yeah, maybe it's helpful for them.
Definitely.
Sure, and I really love your bag. So please show them your bag.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Kiran. Okay, so let's get on with it. I'll show you how my bag looks, and I'll talk a little bit about it, and then I'll show you guys what is there inside my bag. Okay?
Okay.
So Kiran, this is my bag, and everyone, this is my bag. Okay. This is a black bag. You can say it's not really leather, but it gives the look of like leather, and it has a little bit golden going on here. So I love black and golden because it's so in. There's a slight pocket at the back, which I don't really use.
No, it's very useful for the carry a mobile or some money.
Yeah, you're right. I've never carried my mobile here actually. My phone is always in my hand.
Oh.
But it's a good idea, I'll use it. And then the bag, I have this division is there, like in between, like you have.
It's a very spacious bag.
It's a very spacious bag, yes. I am very fond of carrying big bags because I carry my world in my bag,
Yeah,
you know.
It's
So, okay, starting with, okay, so I'll show you what all is there in my bag. So, I'll show you my wallet first. So, I have a wallet, and this is a wallet from Milano. So, I'll just show you. This
and
is how.
I really love the color.
You really like the color of
Yeah.
it? Yeah, so this is completely genuine leather, and it's got lifetime warranty and blah blah blah. So this is how it opens,
So you're
and
going to use this bag for a lifetime?
I guess I have it for like 4 years already, and just see the
It's a
shine and
4 years old
everything.
bag, but it still looks so new. Like
Absolutely.
it's like it's totally new, yaar. You carry so well.
मैं अपनी चीज़ों का थोड़ा रख रखाव भी अच्छा करती हूँ, so you know.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
Absolutely. So that is about my wallet. Then I have this regular notepad in here, in which I usually take down notes for making my videos and whatever we learn at the academy.
And today we got that
YouTube diary that is there. And of course a random pen is there to write down quick notes. Sometimes you can just get an idea about making a video, so you just kind of write it down. So I write it down here. Then I have this another non-camera phone, like this 1940s ka phone, which is required because yeah, you do. So this is from my college time. Exactly. And the best part about these phones, इनके battery नहीं जाता है. I charge it once in a week. Can you imagine? I so miss these phones, like so much. Infrared and everything that we used to have. So yeah, ये होता है because I need it for office purpose, so I have it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then that was the first partition of my bag, and the second one I have this little makeup bag.
Oh, it's a must-have.
It's a must-have, and it's basic black in color. It's from Giorgio Armani. So this is how it is. It's a little sponge bag, so it's got sponge at the sides. So
you carry almost everything.
I carry almost everything, and then I have. So there's a lot of makeup.
And even she has this cute little. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Yeah, so this is a tiny little cold cream that I carry with myself, which sometimes I use any areas which get dry. And Kiran is completely lost in my makeup, so she's like, okay.
I love makeup, you know.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah.
Smells like nice, yeah.
These are all the makeup products that I have. There are a lot of lip colors, like from Revlon, L18 and others.
And trust me, she have lots of things in this bag, like everything.
Yeah, but I can't show you everything. Yeah. Then there's a tiny mirror. Yeah, see yourself. And
yeah, that's too much. Now
and there's a lot more. There's a primer, there's a concealer, then there are cotton pads, and
she carries everything.
almost everything.
Like she can do
Just like for makeup touch-up.
Oh, I totally understand.
But I don't use so much makeup actually, but I love having it. And then there's this tiny little bag that you get on the flights, clips and everything. It has my hair accessories like your hairpins and.
Oh, that's a really cool idea.
So I keep it
to
separately.
carry. Yeah,
I keep it separately
I really
because
love the idea. It's a pouch and you carry every hair accessories in that.
there are clips, there are rubber bands, and there are those little clips and everything that you need to like tie back your hair and everything. So that is there in this little bag.
Wow, so cute.
You get these small pouches like this Livon one.
So you also carrying this type of pouches in your bag?
Yeah,
that's
because
a cool idea.
it's a one-time use, isn't it? Just open and just apply it because I use serums like anyone's business.
And it's really cool idea. I really loved it.
Thank you. And the last one is of course a hand sanitizer because we need it
It's a really
whenever you have to
important.
like grab something or you shake hands with so many people. We need it.
Yeah. And I think it's cool.
And then there's a comb and there's a silica gel which I would suggest everybody should keep it.
Right.
It's really good from a hygiene perspective.
Okay, I'm also checking that कुछ रह तो नहीं गया उसके
कुछ
बैग में
नहीं रह गया मेरे बैग में
पूरा दुनिया बाहर आ गई है उसके बैग से
There is a little keychain in which I have my keys.
Okay.
So you can see this little
And it's
keychain is
really
like a little
cute.
phone.
It has something. Oh, phone.
It's a little phone like those, flap wala phones we used to get. So this little phone is there, and then the keys are there.
And I really loved it.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
ये था entire world in her bag. And मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें नहीं पता चली जैसे आप ऐसे पाउच कैरी कर सकते हो अपने बैग में. That's a really cool idea. Then you can also carry this type of pouch for your hair accessories.
Yeah.
So overall मुझे इसके जितने भी items थे बहुत पसंद आया and your bag.
And you're gonna steal it. I know it.
Obviously. If you really want to see what I carry in my bag, then go to her channel and here is her channel link. So just click on her face and you can see what I carry in my bag, it's really difficult.
In her bag on my channel. Yeah, so it's going to be there. Yeah.
Okay, so go and check her channel too and my bag too. So till then,
Thank you so much for watching and thank
make
you
sure
Kiran.
to subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe to both of us and give us a thumbs up and let us know how you found the video and if there's anything that you want us to do after that we'll probably do more collabs together. Thank you Kiran for having me here and being so kind enough and so patient to look at everything. Look at everything that's inside my bag a lot. Thank you. Alright then. Okay then. Bye bye.
Bye.